Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. What's going on everybody? I hope you guys are doing well and I am back with another video, and today's video is going to be about kurti sets or ethnic wear or churidar sets starting from rupees 900 from Myntra. So guys, festive season has already gone and wedding season is already here. So I have a lot of stuff for the guests to attend for the wedding, for the bridesmaid. I have outfits for haldi function, mehndi function, for weddings. I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the video. So starting with the very first outfit, I have this very pretty yellow color outfit. The material is known as silk chiffon, and just look at the neck detailing. It has this very pretty embroidered with white and gold details, and it is a 3/4 sleeves, and it is a long kurta, almost comes to your ankle. And I love the crepe kind of thing going on throughout the kurti. It has a lot of flair, and I'm in the size small for this one. Also, they had a lot of color options in this, but I went for a yellow one because you can wear this for haldi functions. And then it comes with this straight bottoms, like nothing fancy about this bottom. It is just a straight pant with this elasticated waist at the back, and it is plain in the front. It doesn't has pockets sadly. And then it comes with this dupatta. Just look at this guys, it is such a pretty dupatta with this leria print I think, and this also has a nice shine on it. So you can wear this dupatta with the kurti and bottoms. If you don't want to wear the dupatta, still your outfit is going to stand out and it's going to look pretty and very beautiful. So you can wear nice oxidized earring on this, or even you can do a pink and yellow combination and it's going to look very pretty. The contrast is so much in trend, and I got this kurti set for 929 rupees only. So guys, just go and grab one for yourself before it goes out of stock. Moving on to the next one, I have this very pretty blue color kurta set with dupatta. It is a velvet kurta set, and just look at that blue color. It looks so royal. I love the V-neck and the detailing around the neck. It has very pretty lace over here, and then it has this loose sleeves which has this nice border over here, the lace thing going on with lots of sequins. It is a A-line kind of kurti. Also at the end of the kurti, it has the same lace detailing that has on the sleeves also. And then it comes with this bottom, a dark blue color bottom. Again, nothing fancy about the bottom. It is just a straight bottom with elasticated waist, no pockets. And then talking about the dupatta, just look at that dupatta guys. It is such a pretty outfit. The dupatta is also adding so much to the dress. I love this thing around the dupatta. This is like so much in trend nowadays, and this is a organza dupatta. So tomorrow I'm going to attend the first wedding of the season, so I have two options in my mind. Either I'm going to wear this, it's a reception at night, so this is going to look very pretty, or also I have one red sari in my mind, so maybe this or that. I'm in the size medium for this one, and I got this for 1324 rupees. I think it's worth. It had lots of color options like maroon, red, green, and a lot of color options, but I went for a blue one. Also you can wear nice mojeries on this. You can wear heavy earrings. No need to wear anything in your neck because the neck detail is so like too much. So yeah guys, you can just wear some kadas in your hand and you are sorted. So that's the very pretty velvet dress. Moving on to the next outfit, I have this very pretty maroon color kurta with trousers. I just love the color. I love the detailing. I love the embroidery on the neck, and it's so different. It's a very like decent simple kurta set, but it's going to look very pretty when you accessorize it. It has this 3/4 sleeves. Also at the end of the sleeves it has this nice embroidered, the gold embroidery, and then it is a A-line kurta. Just look at the detail. It has this nice trees embroidered, and then at the end of the kurta, just look at that, guys. It has such pretty embroidery going on. It has flowers, it has coconut trees. It is such a pretty but very nice decent kurti. I love the color. You can literally wear this for a wedding. If you're attending as a guest, you can go ahead and wear this kurti with this bottom. The bottom is also the straight bottom, and at the end of the bottoms it has the same gold embroidery going on, so it's going to look very pretty. You can wear nice gold and white chandbalis, you can wear nice kadas, and you're sorted. So I got this from the brand called Sangria. I got this kurti set for 1666 rupees, and I think it's worth. The quality is amazing. You can style this in your own way, and I'm in love with this kurta set. Now the sale is going on, so the prices have reduced, and I had bought it for 1666, but I'm sure the rates have come down, so you can go and check out for yourself and go and place your order now. Moving on to the next outfit, I have an outfit for Mehndi function because it is a green color outfit. Just look at that embroidery, guys. The work, the sequence work, the embroidery looks so nice. The v-neck and also the lace detailing on the v-neck looks so damn pretty. It is again a A-line kurti. It has this 3/4 sleeves. At the end of the sleeves it has this very pretty pink color embroidery, which is looking so like nice on green, like the contrast color. And it is a A-line kurti with lots of flare, and at the side it has this cuts, and also it has this embroidery going on throughout the cut, and the quality is really very amazing. It also has a nice shine to it, and then it comes with this bottom. It is a straight bottom with a pocket, and then also it has this similar design at the end of the bottom with the pink and green embroidery going on. This is also of very good quality. It has elastic, and also it is plain in the front. Also it has pocket, which is so convenient. You can wear pink earrings on this, like nice pink earrings, because it has contrast of pink, and then you can wear some nice bangles in your hand and you're sorted. You can literally wear this for mehndi functions. If not, you can also wear it for wedding, because it's such a grand kurta set. And again, I'm in the size small for this one. I got this for 1798, but the rates have gone down, so you can go and check out for yourself. So guys, we have reached to the end of the video, and I'm going to show you the last outfit, which is again a very beautiful outfit. It is a orange color one stripe kurta. Just look at that. It has this nice work going on throughout the neck. The neck is also very different. Also it has this adjusting thing, which is very important, and then it has this tired layers, whatever you call it, a A-line long kurta. It is kind of anarkali, and then at the end of the kurta it has the same lace going on throughout the kurta. I love it. I'm in the size small, and it has so much of flare. It has so much of like tires going on, and then I have this straight bottoms. Nothing fancy about the bottoms. It is just plain and straight bottoms. And then talking about the dupatta, just have a look at this dupatta. It is a organza dupatta with lots of work embroidery going on. As you can see, it has this gold embroidery at the end of the dupatta on all the on both the sides, like two sides. At this side it doesn't has anything, so you can style this dupatta in so many ways with the kurta, and it's going to look very pretty. I didn't have any orange outfit and I finally got one for myself, which is so nice. The orange is not a tacky orange, it is a very subtle nice orange color. I'm in the size small for this one. I got this for 1495, and you can wear nice earrings on this. The contrast for orange would be again pink or green, also dark green would look really pretty. So you can wear nice green earrings on this. Some bangles, because it's a sleeveless kurta, you can wear lots and lots of bangles, maybe heels, wedges, whatever you're comfortable in, and you can wear this for some wedding as a guest or even for bridesmaid. It's going to look very, very pretty, so you can go for this one. So guys, the upcoming videos are going to be a mixture of wedding as well as winters, because winters are here, weddings have already started. So maybe I'll post one video of wedding related thing and one of winter. The link for all of the kurti sets or chudidar sets will be in my description box. You can go there, click on the link and place your order. And if you like my video, then don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'm going to see you all super soon with another video. Until then, bye guys.